Welcome back to my channel. This is Preetika. I make tutorials related to air dry clay earrings and related findings. Today I am going to show how to make your own ear wires or earring hooks or hoops. These are the sum of earring hooks or hoops which are available in Amazon. I will put the link in description box below. You can check. These are quite expensive to buy on its own. When you buy them online, they will come with a pack, like 100 for the pack or 50 in a pack, like that. But with the copper wire like this one, you can make your own hoops or hooks, as many as you want, a pair or two. Purchase link to this wire, I will leave it in the description box. You can check it out. This is not as expensive as the hooks which are available online. The two kind of hooks I'm going to show you today. One is this French hook. You can make it as big as you want, as narrow as you want, as wide as you want. These are quite easy to make. And the other one is this Marquis hook. You don't need much tools for this. Basic tools which are available at your home, you can use them. You need a round plier, a cutter, and anything which is round in shape. Width is of your desire. I'm gonna use this makeup brush for the French hook and this fragrant oil bottle for the Marquis hook. I'm gonna cut 6 inches of wire. I have cut this 6-inch wire. I'm going to take this makeup brush, which is cylindrical. Now you can make as many as you want. I'm gonna roll it 3 times. If you have excess, you can roll it. Keep it tightly and release. Now this will make 3 rings. Cut in the middle. You can use any two which you desire, which looks better. Hold them together. Cut it until it is equal. Take a flat plier and bend it on the outside, both of them together. After bending it, you may find the tip of it is not of a same length. You can cut it. And press it together inwards. Bend the other side of it to the outside. Now you can adjust the length to your desire, narrower or wider. After finishing, you can separate it. French hooks are ready. These are the previous one I had, which is shorter. This is a little bit longer, which I made just now. For the Marquis hook, it is a bit larger in the size. So I'm going to take 8 inches of wire. I have taken 8 inches of wire. I'm taking this in this cylindrical bottle. Hold it tightly and release. Cut it in the middle. Hold it together and cut the tips equally. Pull them slightly outwards. Now with the Marquis hook, you can make loops either outside or at the inside. I'm going to make it to the inside. After making the loops, push it inwards. Cut the tips equally. And bend the edge outwards. If you feel like it is not equal, you can cut it. Separated. Marquis hooks are ready. The previous one I showed you. The loops are to the outside. That's all for today. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed yet. Please like, share and comment.